Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? Given that f of x equals x cubed minus x plus 1. If f of a equals f of b equals f of c and everything equals 0, then a raised to the power of 16 plus b raised to the power 16 plus c raised to the power 16 equals what? And here is the reason you should not try these functional equations. So let's start by solving this. I'm going to be applying the Vieta's formulas to solve this. But since the function is a cubic function, we firstly assume the solution of the form of cubic form. Then we are going to have, suppose I let, if f of x is given as, so since this is cubic, we are going to have this as x minus a multiplied by x minus b multiplied by x minus c. Then after having this, we are going to recall from the function which is f of x equals x raised to the power 3 minus x plus 1. And having this one separate, then we are going to recall the Vieta's formula, which says, suppose we have a plus b plus c, everything here equals 0 according to him. Then we still have ab plus ac plus bc, everything here equals minus 1. Here are the two we are going to consider, and this is by Vieta's formula. Then I want to know what is a here. What is f of a? As from the given conditions that f of a equals 0, let's find f of a, f of b, and f of c. But I will not find everything. Once I know f of a, I will generalize it and we get f of b, f of c. Then if x equals a, we are going to have f of a equals a raised to the power of 3 minus a plus 1, and this equals 0. That is the given conditions. So therefore, when we make a raised to the power 3 the subject, we are going to have this as a minus 1. So I'm going to start this. And what I need is a raised to the power of 16. And by raising this one by a raised to the power of 5, then everything here becomes a minus 1 raised to the power of 5. And by Pascal triangle coefficient, when we try and expand a minus 1 raised to the power 5, so we get the result of this one is a raised to the power 15, so which is not up to a raised to the power 16. But let's know a raised to the power of 15 first, which is a minus 1 raised to the power of 5. When we expand this, we are going to get a raised to the power of 5. So I got this by Pascal triangle coefficient. Then we have a raised to the power of 5 minus 5 a raised to the power of 4 plus 10 a raised to the power of 3. So when one is increasing, the other will be decreasing. And the next one is minus 10 a raised to the power of 2. Then we have plus 5 a raised to the power of 10 a raised to the power of 3 minus 10 a raised to the power 2 plus 5a minus 1. So this is what we get from these expansions. Then we need to get a raised to the power of 16. So what we do is just by multiplying this a raised to the power 15 by a. And we have a raised to the power of 16 equals every single terms here will be multiplied by a. When this one multiplied by a, we have a raised to the power 6 minus 5a raised to the power of 5 plus 10 a raised to the power of 4 minus 10 a raised to the power of 3 plus 5 a raised to the power 2, then minus a. This is what we have. And we proceed, we are going to have, then when we recall from when we have a raised to the power 3 equals a minus 1. So we are going to be replacing every a raised to the power 3 got it from here by a minus 1. And here we have a raised to the power 16 still remain there. But a raised to power 6, we can get a raised to power 3 from it, then everything raised to power of 2. Therefore, a raised to power 6 becomes a minus 1 raised to power of 2. Then minus a raised to power 5 as well becomes minus 5 a raised to power of 2. Then open bracket a minus 1 plus 10a into bracket of a minus 1 minus 10 into bracket of a minus 1, then plus 5a raised to power 2 minus a. So this is what we got here. Then when we expand a minus 1 raised to power 2, we are going to get a raised to power 2 minus 2a plus 1. And also expanding this, we have minus 5a raised to power of 3 plus 5a raised to power of 2. Then plus 10a times a, that is 10a squared, and minus 10a. So also we have minus 10a plus 10 plus 5a squared minus a. So I'm solving this step by step. But a raised to power 3 is also given as a minus 1. We replace this as we are going to have, okay, let's try and add some common terms. A raised to power 2 plus 5a raised to power 2 plus 10a raised to power 2 plus 5a raised to power of 2. So all the 3's here, they equals 20. Then plus this, making it 21a raised to power of 2. Then we have minus, here is minus 2a, and also we have minus 10a, and this is minus a. All the 3's here, they equals minus 22, and with this we have it as minus 23. That is minus 23a, and again we have 1 plus 10, this gives us 11. So we have plus 11, and the only thing left here is this minus 5a raised to power of 3, which this one gives us minus 5 into bracket of a raised to power 3 is given as a minus 1. Alright, so this gives us 21a raised to power 2 minus, here when we expand this, okay, let me write this as 23a plus 11 minus 5a plus 5. Then after getting this, we have this as 21a raised to power 2. Then here we have minus 23a minus 5a. This gives us minus 28a. Then plus 11 plus 5, that gives us 16. So this is the result of a raised to power of 16. And similarly, it is applicable for b and c as well. So which means when we consider for b, we are going to have 21b squared minus 28b plus 16. And also c, we have 21c squared minus 28c plus 16. All these are a raised to power of 16, b raised to power 16, and c raised to power of 16. And how can we sum everything together and apply the Vieta's formula, and I firstly explained in the beginning. So let's see how we can get that. So by adding a raised to power 16 plus b raised to power 16 plus c raised to power 16, here are what we got. But a raised to power of 2 plus b raised to power 2 plus c raised to power 2. So this is given as, if you have a raised to power 2 plus b raised to power 2 plus c raised to power 2, this is given as a plus b plus c raised to power 2, then minus ab minus 2 into bracket of ab plus ac plus bc. So this is what we have for this. But by Vieta's, all this one equals 0 and all this one equals minus 1. Therefore, the entire of this with this negative here, it gives us 2. Therefore, everything will be equals 21 into bracket of, since the whole of this is given as 2, then minus 28 into bracket of, so 0, then plus 48. So therefore we have 21 times 2, that is 42, minus 28 times 0, that is 0, plus 48. Therefore everything here is given as 90. So 42 plus 48, that gives us 90. And this is the result of when we add a raised to the power of 16 plus b raised to the power of 16 plus c raised to the power of 16. So everything equals 90. So as just simple as it is, you should not try this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.